Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Travis in Maine on this little Stryker SR-94hpc. Travis, got you ready to go, bud. Converted over, tune alignment. Let's get right to it. Got the RF power on the low side, 25 watt scale. It's 3.5 watts. Go over to the high side, 10 watt scale. We set her at 9 watts for you. Show you average power swing. Hello, 22 bird, 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 45 PEP. Not bad for a little, literally a hand-sized radio. Travis, we'll get it out to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck, truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get rubberized today.